Meaning of holiday.
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 Holiday. A holiday is a period of time when people take a break from their usual routine and engage in leisure activities, such as traveling, sightseeing, or simply relaxing. It is a time to recharge our batteries, enjoy the company of family and friends, and create lasting memories. Holidays can be religious, cultural, or national in nature and are often associated with specific traditions and customs. No matter the reason, holidays serve as an important reminder that we all need time to unwind and take a break from the daily stresses of life.